Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're whipping up an oil-free Southwestern Tofu Scramble that's bursting with flavor, packed with protein, and completely oil-free. Let's get cooking. So for this recipe, we'll need a cup of chopped bell pepper, which is half of a bell pepper. I'm using a red bell pepper here, but green works just as well. We're going to need half a cup of chopped onion. As you can see here, I used a quarter of a large onion. 1 jalapeno minced, for those of us who like a little heat. This is optional, of course, but I highly recommend it. We'll also be using 14 ounces of extra firm tofu that we've drained and pressed. Here we have half a cup of cooked black beans and half a cup of corn. I'm using frozen corn in this example. Now, for that signature Southwestern flavor, we have a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon each of cumin and paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. I'm actually going to add my salt and pepper after it's plated. Okay, let's start by sautéing our veggies in a non-stick pan over medium heat. To keep things oil-free, we'll use a splash of vegetable broth instead of oil. While those are cooking, let's talk about the nutritional powerhouse we have here. Did you know that bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C? Also, tofu is a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. It's also rich in calcium and iron, and the vitamin C from the bell pepper will help your body absorb that iron. So that means that this scramble is not only delicious, but it's also incredibly good for you. Alright, here we go. Star of the show, tofu. Now a lot of people actually crumble it right into the pan. As you can see, I'm what is considered a pre-crumbler. We're going to cook the tofu until it starts to brown. If it sticks, just add a little bit more broth. Once the tofu is browned, we're going to get those spices involved. Okay, sprinkle in those spices and we're going to stir it up real well. Next, we're adding in the black beans and corn. These not only add flavor and texture, but also contribute to the overall nutritional value of the dish. Stir it real well and we're going to let it cook through for about 3 or 4 minutes. And there you have it. A vibrant, flavorful, and nutritious Southwestern Tofu Scramble. It's oil-free, packed with plant-powered protein, and ready to fuel your day. This scramble is fantastic on its own, but feel free to get creative. You can put it in warm tortillas for breakfast burritos, serve it with crispy roast potatoes, or enjoy it alongside your favorite toast. Well, that does it for this episode. If you enjoyed this recipe, give the video a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more delicious and healthy plant-based meals. Also, before I close the video out, I just want to mention we have a ton of videos coming up soon, including another grocery haul this weekend, plenty more recipes, some nutritional myth busting, and a whole lot more. Don't forget to subscribe and grab that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming culinary adventures. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.
Hey there! Pat yourself on the back for making it this far into Chris's video. These vlogs of his can get pretty lengthy sometimes. Anyway, don't forget to like this video and please click the subscribe button. It's always free and it is the best way to support content creators like Chris the plant-based runner. Thanks again for watching. Until next time. Safe travels.